January 2009 question 4, core 1, is our completing the square question. And back in 2009 we kept getting these lovely even numbers here. We don't get them anymore, but we start by halving that number there. So we got x plus 1 all squared, but we have to take away that number squared as well. Have to take away the 1, then put the plus 5 in on the end. And so we've got x plus 1 all squared plus 4 as our completed the square part of it. Why is that always positive? Well, that's a silly question, isn't it? That's always positive because the minimum is at minus 1, 4, isn't it? The lowest that could ever be is at minus 1. The lowest this could ever be is at 4. So therefore, always positive. Always above the x-axis because the lowest it could ever be is 4. Write down the coordinates of the minimum point. Oh, I just did that. Minus 1, 4. So it's what makes that 0. That's why we get the minus 1 and the 4. That goes from there. Sketch the curve showing the value of the intercept. So where's the intercept? It's going to cross at 5, isn't it? It's crossing over here at 5. We know the minimum is at minus 1, 4. There's minus 1, 4. And we've got our x squared graph looking like that. Of course, it doesn't cross the x-axis there because we said it didn't earlier. And finally, the transformation. So normal stuff again. How do I get from my x squared graph to here? Well, it is a translation, like they all are in core 1. It's a translation. We need to go 1 to the left, don't we? So it's a translation of minus 1, and then we need to go up 4, a translation of minus 1, 4. The mark scheme has exactly what I just said. A little bit of explanation there maybe. They did theirs in a different way. They said that this thing's always positive, and so always positive plus 4 is always bigger than 0. And lots of words for that. So there you go.